Hey guys, I'm driving home. Sorry for the glare in the back. I was just driving home. I'm stuck in traffic, so I thought I would. There's another thing that comes up all the time when I talk to people who've been involved in a work injury. And so the question they have is, the company wants me to treat with the company doctor. Do I have to treat with the company doctor, or can I pick my own doctor? The short answer is you can pick your own doctor. Under workers' comp, there's something called the two-doctor rule. And what that means is, let's say, the best way to explain it is by an example. So here's the example. You go to a doctor of your choice and you don't really like that doctor. So then you go to a different doctor of your choice, and then that second doctor refers you to therapy and an x-ray and an MRI and a surgery center and an orthopedic specialist or you know, a headache specialist, something like that. Even though you've seen like a dozen doctors, though that treatment falls within the two-doctor rule, because the two-doctor rule says you have to have treatment in the chain of referrals. You get two chain of referrals, right? And you use both of them up because the first doctor saw you didn't like them, you went to a different doctor and then saw a bunch of doctors through that doctor. So because the second doctor referred you to all those people, it's in that second chain of referrals, so you're okay, and they should have to pay, right? So it looks like my video camera is a little bit uneven here. Hope that's better. So what was I talking about? The two-doctor rule. Now, if you go outside the two-doctor rule, and let's say you, in that scenario, you went to Doctor 1, you went to Doctor 2, then you say, yeah, I want an independent opinion, and then you go to a third doctor, but you're not referred to the third doctor. That's technically a third chain of referrals, and if you treat with a doctor outside of the two-doctor rule, the workers' comp insurance may not have to pay that doctor, right? So they'll still want to send you a bill and get paid somehow, but you want to make sure that you're within the two-doctor rule. Now, the company has a right to send you to their doctor, and they have a right to have you examined pretty much as they want, right? So if they set an appointment for you to be examined by their doctor, you kind of have to go. You don't have a choice. They can cut off your benefits if you don't. But here's the difference. The doctor you choose as your treater is a guy who is going to direct all of your treatment, right? That's what a treating doctor does. So even though the company can make you be examined by their guy, their doctor doesn't actually give you treatment, and more importantly, their doctor does not direct treatment. In other words, their doctor doesn't get to prescribe you medicine or tell you, yes, you can have therapy, or no, you can't, or yes, surgery, no surgery, right? They pretty much just hire those company doctors to kind of build a defense, right? So the way it works with company doctors is the company doctor gets referred a lot of injured people through the insurance company, so the company doctor is loyal to the company, not to the patient. Because that's the case, they know that the company doctor is going to write them a nice report saying that you're exaggerating or you're not hurt as bad, that kind of thing. So it goes to my last point. Sometimes people want to treat with the company doctor, and sometimes that's okay. If the doctor is legit, and I know he's a really excellent doctor, then it's perfectly okay for you to treat with him. But there are a lot of doctors out there who are 100% on the side of the insurance company, and that's my concern, right? Like, I don't want you to treat with a doctor who, you know, you don't know doctors' reputations, but, you know, you treat with this doctor who is all about protecting and saving the insurance company money and not really about protecting the patient. So if you decide to treat with a company doctor, it's your choice, but I would say be very, very careful about doing it. So anyway, I'm almost home. Thanks for watching. I hope that information helped you. If you want a consult or if you have a case, you can call me at 888-HURT-318 or check out some of the informational links below the video. Thanks for watching, and take care.